Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I hope that you had a wonderful spring break and that you were all healthy and safe. My spring break was nice. I spent it at my house with Chester, who is currently watching a bird out the window. He's very interested in the birds and the squirrels. Um, yeah, I did some stitching over break. So I got this little quarantine hoop happening where I'm adding something every day. It's a couple days out of date right now because I haven't added yesterday's or today's yet, but that's kind of fun. And I've also been working on a bigger project that is almost done. So I might finish it in the next couple days. We got some moons and Marses, and I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, so that's kind of what my break was. It's um, staying isolated, making sure that we're not passing this virus on to anybody else. Um, Looking forward for us for the rest of the semester. As you know, we are only meeting on Mondays and Wednesdays, and your last day of class, seniors, is going to be the 13th, I believe. It's the 14th, but the 14th will be a B day, so APES isn't going to meet on the 14th. That being said, your AP exam is on May 18th, and so even though you are technically going to be done with e-learning on the 14th, you do still need to take that AP exam. So on our curriculum kind of planning, we're going to spend the next two classes talking about climate change and then practicing practicing FRQs to get us prepared for that AP exam. So the next month or so is going to look like a lot of writing, but that just means that you'll be even more prepared for the AP exam when it gets here. So yeah, AP exam, let me make myself smaller here. Okay. Your AP exam is May 18th at 4 p.m. You are going to have two FRQs. So the first one is going to be 25 minutes. So you'll have 25 minutes to read and respond, and then you'll have a 5-minute upload period. So you have a lot of options for what this looks like. So you can read and respond and type your answer, or you can read and respond and handwrite your answer and then take a picture and upload it to the College Board website. So whatever is easiest for you is what they want you to do. They did say that you are going to have an opportunity to practice uploading those documents in the next couple weeks. When they let me know where you can practice that, I will let you know right away. So yeah, first question, 25 minutes to write and then 5 minutes to upload. Second question is going to be a 15-minute question and then another 5 minutes to upload. Once you upload question 1, you can't go back to it. Okay, so don't think I'll upload it and then edit it. No, you need to make sure that you are finished with it when you upload it. What the questions will look like. So question 1 is going to be 60% of the score, and it's going to be a design and investigation question. So design an experiment. What would a good scientific question be? What would the methods be? What would good results look like? We're going to practice a lot of those coming up in the next few weeks. Question number 2 is going to be 40% of the score, and it's going to be analyze an environmental problem and propose a solution. So this is going to give you an authentic environmental scenario accompanied by either a model or visual representation or quantitative data, and it may assess your ability to describe and or explain environmental concepts, processes, models presented in written format, analyze visual representations or data, or propose and justify solutions to environmental problems. We are going to practice more of those too. You've seen some of those already. So that is what's going on. So none of the AP exams are going to overlap, okay? So only one of them is happening at a time, but if you have like tech problems on May 18th, or if for whatever reason something goes wrong and you can't take it on May 18th, there is a late exam date. It is June 3rd at 2 p.m. But like you want to try to take it on May 18th because the material will be fresher in your brain, and also if you don't take it on the 18th and plan to take it on the 3rd and then something goes wrong on the 3rd, there's no like third exam date. So the 3rd is like your last chance to take it. Yeah, that should hopefully answer some questions that you might have had about the AP exam. I'm sure you guys are going to do great on it. And please email me if you have any questions. Oh, big thing. So this test is going to be able to be taken on computers, tablets, even phones. Please, 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 please let me know if you don't have a way to take the exam. So if you don't have technology, please let me know, and I can work with the school and with College Board to make sure that you have appropriate technology. Okay. Email me if you have any questions. My office hours are starting up again on Wednesday the 8th from 1 to 2 p.m. I will see you there. Bye.